Hello everyone, myself Shreyas Thanawala and my roll number is 21GG10037. So in this video, I'm going to show you a basic gas sensor that I made using the Arduino Uno system. So the use of this gas sensor can be done in some industries that use some toxic and fatal gases. So if there's a gas leak, uh, the sensor can sense it and alarm people so that there may not be any fatal damage to the people. So the components that I used to make this sensor are as follows. So there's one Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller, one gas sensor, two 1 kilo ohm resistors, and one piezo. So here's the code that I use. So here's the code. So here's how the code looks in the block system, and here's how the code looks in the text form. So basically, when the gas sensor value is greater than or equal to 150, then the alarm will set in. So yeah, now will start the simulation. So as you can see over here, the gas sensor value is 85 right now, and as we bring it closer, the sensor value increases, and when it reaches 150 or is greater than 150, see the alarm rings. So yeah, that's all. Thank you everyone and take care.